Hey dudes and dudettes, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram on your desktop if you're just as a lazy ass millennial as I am and don't really enjoy writing on your keyboard as much. There are a few ways for you on how you can do that, and one of them is Planoly, and that's what I'm going to show you now. If you go to planoly.com, sign up for an account, there is a free version of that out there. You're just limited with on how many pictures you can upload per month. But in general, it's pretty amazing, and if you do sign up there and log in, that's what it will look like. Obviously, your grid will still be very much empty, but since we're using it already for our podcast for quite a while, that's why you have view of what your grid also looked like in the past, and you will be able to design your grid also up into the future. So what you can do then to add an image is as simple as clicking on add to grid and then select the source from wherever you want to select the source from. Once you've uploaded it, you will be able to see here on the left hand side the image that isn't posted yet. You see that those are not posted, they don't have likes here and no comments. No speech bubble or anything, so you also see that here that this one is a scheduled one, and if you unschedule that one, it will have a pink U here, so you would know that it is, as I said, not scheduled. The awesome thing for Planoly is that you can make it auto post to Instagram, but only if you do have a Facebook business page, and if you connect your Instagram account to your Facebook business page and then activate that in Planoly in the profile section. So you have to click on your hamburger menu and then click on my profile, and if you scroll further down, you will be able to link that here in that area. And for that, I do have that post that I can share in the description together with you, where you can then see how you can do that on the Planoly web dashboard, or how you can do that in an app, because Planoly also has an app. So yeah, you will need to have a Facebook business page for it to work. If you don't have that, then auto posting will not be possible for you. But now clicking on Planoly, it's as simple as you can see here the image, then click on that and then type in all your amazing content with your big ass keyboard that we all love so much, or at least I do. And once you've done that, you can also click on the hashtag icon here if you've created hashtag groups already before, which you can do here. You can see create new groups, give the group a name, enter all your hashtags, and then you simply have to click on that hashtag icon here and it will add them to your post. So that's as awesome as it gets. And we're going to schedule that post for tomorrow morning, and then click on save. Initially there was a toggle. I'm not sure if it's not working at the moment because Planoly changed something, but in general I can show you that how it looks on the mobile app. You will see that there is a toggle that says automatically post to Instagram, which you will have to enable, so it will actually do that. It could be that this is just an error at the moment for Planoly itself, or for the desktop view, or maybe because on the profile it has the auto post on, so I assume that it might automatically post, but that's fairly new at the moment. Like last week there was still the toggle there, so maybe that's just how they generalize it now. Otherwise, make sure you have the app installed, because then you will get a notification and you can check if your post has been posted or not. Or you just check Instagram if it worked or not if you don't have the app. Yeah, and once you did that, well, that's basically it. And you don't have to do that all on your mobile phone, which is amazing. And you can obviously schedule everything also on desktop version, which is great. I hope that was helpful, and see you again next time. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.